Kraken steel! No! Him! Fire!
Missiles out. Danger close.
He's running. Move!
He's on the run! He's on the run!
No! Please! Hold your fire! Oh! Hold fire! Do not see I've been injured! Medical officer Ratchet! I'm a friend! Oh. I'm an Autobot!
Why are you running?
Optimus sent this distress message.
Calling all Autobots. We are under targeted attack. Cease all contact with humans.
We're all hiding. All Autobots are being hunted. We're all in danger.
I lost a sister in Chicago. You get no sympathy from me.
What's wrong with you humans? No! Please!
Check fire.
He's mine now.
Lockdown.
Autobots, Decepticons, like little children, always fighting, making a mess out of the universe. Then I've got to clean it up. There is one way you survive. Tell me where he's hiding. Where is Optimus Prime?
Never.
Never is here.